Bitcoin's coiling, market makers are scheming, and rate cuts may just flip the game. But could a hidden mathematical model and a breakout at 86,000 send us to the moon? Stick around because today's breakdown is about to blow your mind. Welcome back, Crypto Crew. It's your boy Tom here bringing you the hottest in crypto action. If you're ready to dive in today, please give us a like. Make sure that you hit the subscribe and don't forget to follow us on X where we talk about crypto and Bitcoin all day, every day. Let's jump into it, crew. Right now, what we are seeing, if we go on to over to the 12-hour chart, Bitcoin is basically just hanging tight at 82,008 this morning. It's been a wild week. Trump's tariff news tanked it to $81,000, $300 million in liquidations. Yet it's clawing back, holding that 80,000, 82,000 support like a boss. Demand is still kicking, fam. Now, here's where it gets juicy. Those market players love, they love a bargain. If you notice, look what they did here. They whacked the price down only to basically buy it back here. So they're always looking to create a paradox. Basically, they crash it to cash in. Ex-traders are calling it a shakeout to ditch weak hands. Smart or shady? Hit me up in the comments. But let's zoom out with something that I've been geeking out on, really. I mean, this is really quite interesting. This is what's known as a logarithmic fractal growth model. Try saying that after 3 espressos. Or LFG for short. This bad boy uses Bitcoin's mathematical monetary policy, its fixed supply, halving cycles, and all that jazz to map out future price vibes. It's all about fractal and logarithmic growth, factoring in how holders react to supply and demand shifts. The wild part, it says Bitcoin's chaos is logical. It's heading towards stability someday. Right now, the model's screaming that we're in a typical buy zone. So stack that, crew. Check this out. Bitcoin is now also, we pointed this out yesterday, Bitcoin is splitting from the S&P 500. We're seeing divergence. Bitcoin's becoming its own beast, hunting its own level. Now, if we go over to the 12-hour chart, we're basically looking that we're coming and we're trading through this apex level right here. Now, this is an important price. What we need to have here is we need the marketplace to break out above 86,000 or crash below 78. If we don't, this is going to be a total non-event, and we're just going to slowly trade through this, and the marketplace is going to be looking for new information to set its new levels. But here's the other thing. What we're looking at right now is the Fed's still pro-growth and market sees inflation as consumer sentiment scare, not a deal breaker. Growth's Goldilocks, not too hot, not too cold. While European firms flock to the U.S. thanks to energy costs and tariffs, global liquidity is rising too, historically pumping assets like Bitcoin. It's about a 3.5 month lag. So that brings us to May 2025 for a potential boom, though uncertainty could mess with it. Oh, and yesterday was Satoshi's 50th birthday. Perfect timing. Trump's crew is all in with American Bitcoin, and the U.S. may stack a Bitcoin reserve. Big players are waking up. What we have to pay attention to is we're waiting for the rate cut. What we could see is that the market anticipated more of a rate cut. The big players will drive the price down, fooling the retail traders again, and then the market will take off. So before we move on, make sure that you are trading with the best and you are following us on Pionex, our go-to broker for new trade setups. We got fresh trades incoming. Make sure you click the link below for daily updates. Get in on the action. Don't sleep on this, Crypto Crew. Pionex is where the winners play. So let's go on over to, I want to know exactly what your thoughts are. Market makers might keep us guessing. We definitely have our logarithmic scale working for us. We got the decoupling. We got us trading out of an apex. This is the most important chart of the day. We got the divergence right there. Look at this. The S&P crashed and Bitcoin held its own. So what is your take on it, crew? If Bitcoin breaks 86,000, we're off to the races. below 78,000, it's a dip. Otherwise, we're holding tight. Rate cuts and liquidity is all in our favor right now. Fear of missing out could light the fuse by May. Are you buying, you waiting? Drop your take and smash the like button, and let's vibe on X. Until next time, Crypto Crew, remember always trade with your head and not over it. Do your own research. And remember, always as a short term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.